Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家话。
Here we go. It's time for another edition of Practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. You know, this month is the month of Dragon Boat Festival. 这个月呢，其实有一个大节嘛，哦。That's right. Dragon Boat Festival in Hakka is actually literally read the festival of May. 其实就是5月的一个节日，
对，就是端午节咯。
端午节 Okay, let's teach people terms associated with this festival, with this holiday. 我们就教大家呢，讲一些跟端午节有关的一些客语好了。
OK，
对不对？刚刚已经5月节已经讲了，再来就是当然要吃很多不一样的粽子，对不对？
对呀，
吃粽子 to eat a rice dumpling. How do you say that?
食粽誒，
食粽誒，食就是 eat 嘛，然後粽誒就是
粽子
rice dumpling. 所以你喜歡吃粽子嗎？
你好食粽誒嗎？
我好吃。我已經聽得懂他講什麼了。Alice 說你喜歡吃粽子嗎？就是 Do you like to eat rice dumplings? All right?
那粽子海陸腔，粽
兒，要不然是粽誒。
對。
粽兒 is a different dialect for the rice dumpling. In order to eat tasty, delicious rice dumpling, you'd have to make one. And in Chinese, literally, it means wrap a rice dumpling. 其實我們做一個粽子就是說包粽子嘛。
對啊，要吃粽子要有人包啊。
對，包粽子怎麼說 To wrap a rice dumpling?
包粽誒。
包粽誒。好，我們說我們來包粽子。
En來包粽誒。
En來包粽誒。En來 that means us together. Let's wrap a rice dumpling. Okay?我覺得吃完粽子呢，去划龍舟也好。
你會划嗎？
不會。
你應該說去運動，看人家划好的。
對。During the Dragon Boat Fest, an activity that's very popular is racing the dragon boat. 要划龍舟。
爬龍船。
Oh, that means rowing a dragon boat. 那這個我們看划龍舟比賽很精彩，怎麼說？
爬龍船比賽動精彩。
爬龍船比賽動精彩。Oh, that means the Dragon Boat Festival is very exciting. All right, let's review these terms associated with the Dragon Boat Fest. First of all, 端午節。
五月節
that is the Dragon Boat Fest. Then eating a rice dumpling, 吃粽子。
食粽誒
And wrapping a rice dumpling, 包粽子。
包粽誒
And finally, let's row that dragon boat, 划龍舟。
爬龍船
There you have it. It's today's Practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.